National Absinthe Day is celebrated annually on March 5 to honor the notorious and mysterious green drink that has been enjoyed by artists, writers, and bohemians for centuries. Absinthe, also known as the Green Fairy, has a complex history, an unmistakable flavor profile, and a distinctive method of preparation that adds to its mystique. We will delve into the history, production, and consumption of absinthe and explore the myths and misconceptions that surround this unique drink. Absinthe has a rich history that dates back to the late 18th century when it was first developed as a medicinal elixir in Switzerland. It was soon popularized in France, where it became a staple of the bohemian culture of Paris. Absinthe was embraced by artists such as Van Gogh, Degas, and Toulouse-Lautrec, who believed that it inspired their creativity. However, the drink was also associated with debauchery and decadence and was eventually banned in many countries, including the United States, due to its alleged psychoactive effects. Absinthe is made from a variety of herbs and botanicals, including wormwood, anise, fennel, and coriander. The herbs are macerated in alcohol and distilled, creating a concentrated liquid known as absinthe essence. The essence is then diluted with water and sugar and sometimes colored with herbs to give it the distinctive green hue. Absinthe is typically bottled at a high alcohol content, around 60 to 70% ABV. The preparation of absinthe is as much a part of its appeal as its flavor. Traditionally, absinthe is poured into a glass, which is then placed on top of a slotted spoon that holds a sugar cube. Ice-cold water is dripped over the sugar cube, which slowly dissolves and mixes with the absinthe. This process, known as the louche, creates a cloudy opalescent appearance and releases the full aroma and flavor of the drink. Absinthe can also be enjoyed in cocktails, such as the classic Sazerac or the refreshing absinthe frappe. Absinthe has been the subject of many myths and misconceptions over the years. One of the most enduring is the belief that it contains a psychoactive substance called thujan, which can cause hallucinations and other effects. However, thujan levels in absinthe are actually quite low and are not significantly different from those in other alcoholic beverages. Another misconception is that absinthe was responsible for the green fairy craze of the late 19th century, when artists and writers claimed to be visited by a hallucinatory green fairy after drinking absinthe. In reality, this was likely a result of the potent combination of alcohol and bohemian culture, rather than any mystical properties of absinthe itself. National Absinthe Day is a celebration of a drink that has inspired and intrigued people for centuries. Whether enjoyed in its traditional form or as part of a creative cocktail, absinthe continues to captivate drinkers with its complex flavor profile and fascinating history.